Okay, first of all, I would like to thank the local people of Hythe and Dibden for their perseverance, courage and fortitude during this difficult period, and their continued commitment to helping us all get through this crisis together. I also want to pay tribute to those members of our community who have volunteered either for the NHS scheme or the local organisations such as Waterside Self-Isolation Group for their tireless efforts on behalf of those in isolation. This includes those individuals who may not be part of an organised group, but are helping their neighbours or friends with the problems of that isolation. It shows what a great community we have, and that together we will get through this, okay? And that leads me neatly onto talking about the parish council. Now, members and members of the public, the first thing I've got to mention is about the ACSOs. We are still working towards bringing the ACSOs back to Hythe and Dibden by the end of this calendar year. Yes, the COVID crisis has delayed the situation, as it has many other things, but we are still moving forward looking at the recruitment, and we're still working on getting them in this calendar year. That's our plan. Now, during this time of the crisis, the parish councils had to operate in a challenging environment, and it's had to look at doing things a little differently. Now, the KISS Council has acted as a liaison between private company, doctors, surgeons and care homes to help identify any requirements for the organisations have for face shields. That item of PPE was sadly missing in a lot of areas. This council has been helpful. It's provided initial information and support to the Waterside Self-Isolation Group, and subsequently offered assistance to the group to collect prescriptions from the chemists and deliver them to residents when isolating. Council staff have continued to work adhering to social distancing requirements following the closure of NFDC Information Office. Staff have responded to an increased number of telephone calls to the Grove from residents seeking information on New Forest District Council and Hampshire County Council. Officers have signposted residents to the relevant place using information supplied by both those authorities. There has been a notable increase in the requests for allotments. Quite understandable, I think you would find. The maintenance team have increased their work on the council's busiest amenity areas to cope with the increased usage by the public. Increased attention has been paid to the cleanliness of these facilities. We're always considering cleanliness as part of the safety for our local people. The caretaking staff have been redeployed to the maintenance team to undertake lone worker tasks such as painting benches, football goalposts. One of the caretakers has assisted the maintenance team to plant the summer bedding plants and install the hanging baskets. And you all know how lovely and beautiful they look. The council is liaising with New Forest District Council about safe ways to reopen the information office located in the Grove. Potential solutions have been identified and work continues to make the information office available as soon as possible.